Today is the 10th of February 2021, which is a Wednesday, and the time right now is 10:28 p.m. Budapest time, and these are my daily results with Mohini Trade, probably the strongest forex trading robot in the world. And this is what my day looks like on the DAX 30 charts with a 5-minute zoom, which means that each and every vertical bar represents 5 minutes of trading time. My day was, well, what should I say? You can probably see it for yourself, rather hectic. It began between the 9th and the 10th, somewhere here. It started with a little bit of a mild sideways, then it climbed a little bit, and that climb was good enough for Mohini Trade to close some of my open buy positions, and then a slightly bearish sideways, then a sudden drop, not too long, but scary enough. And I believe, I might have still been asleep that time. Then I think I woke up to this. There was a lot of tradable pattern, like a lot of sideways. Now this was a little bullish, but then at around 5-ish, was it 5 or something? Yeah, like 4, 5, somewhere between 4 and 6, let's put it this way. A huge drop occurred. I believe this is 350-ish pips. So it fell that much and it recovered like halfway. Then it dropped again and just sideways action until the market ends or until the robot stopped trading. So what does this all mean? Well, just this part of the day created me or generated me a huge amount of profit. I should say a profit that I was not looking forward to. I'm happy, profit's always welcome. It's just the kind of profit that I couldn't have predicted. And I'm going to show you my results now. You can see as I was telling you that Mohini Trade closed a bunch of buy positions even while I was fast asleep. By the way, I always sort my results by the time of closure, and you can see 2:30, that's 2:30 a.m., 3:19, that's also 3:19 a.m., 4:06. These are early morning hours when Mohini Trade closed a bunch of buy positions from yesterday, right? So closed it with some normal profit. Look at that, 1 cent profit, the first profit of the day. And if you watch my previous videos, you probably were aware that my Mohini Trade is pretty much specialized. Well, I wrote the sets in order to scalp. Scalping means that I take tiny profits many times a day and they kind of add up, right? So I call them penny profits, like that one, like 0.87 or a few dollars. If it's under $2, I call it penny profits. So today was not really a penny profit day. Like yesterday was a full-on penny profit day, but today I had bigger profits. I think it's because there was a lot of tradable patterns, a lot of drop in the prices. And look at that, $3, $5, $4. But that's not the greatest. Look, if you go further, after a 60-cent profit, there's a $13 profit. You can barely see 1 or 2 penny profits. Well, here are a few, but $9. You see, there's a $6 that I passed by. $20. I mean, come on, $20. Now here's a little bit of penny profits, but then again, $4.90, $4.38, $2, $7. So this is not your regular penny profit days. Look at the $10, $14, $25, $26, $17, $27. Holy mother of Forex. Look at this. $26, $10. So these are huge profits. $8, $12, $23. And this is all within that time range when I told you somewhere between 5 and 6-ish. And actually this is already the recovery, because I think the recovery is a little bit like after 5 or so. But I made a killing on just this one drop and all the repercussions from that one drop. And let me show you my daily profit, which is very unusual to me. This is something that I couldn't have predicted. I don't know. I just couldn't have. $439.82 US. Almost $440 US. People, that's for one day. I started out with $2,000. Well, not today, but 2 months ago. 2 months and 2 days ago, technically. But today's profit was at least 4 times of yesterday's profit, or about four times. Yeah, more than 4 times. Now let's take a look at my open positions, because you might say, yeah, sure, huge drop. You probably have a lot of buy positions. And sure enough, I have a lot of buy positions, which is You can call it unhealthy or dangerous, but I'm sure Mohini Trade knows what it's doing. And look, the amounts are not as crazy as you would think. I'm still under 300 US dollars, so it's 283 US dollars. That's the total of all my open positions. All of them are buys. So if tomorrow the market's going to go up, then I'm all good. If the market's going to go down, I'm all good too. It's just these are going to close later, and probably I'm going to carry a much heftier open position volume. So, what can I do? Now let's take a look at my balance, $5,145.25. My equity is exactly as my balance minus my outstanding volume of positions. So it's $4,862. It keeps changing. You know why? Because I stopped trading at 10, which is 2,200 hours, but the market's still open till 11, which is 2,300 hours. So we still have 26 more minutes of market. So it's going to keep on jumping, and I hope it's not gonna fuck up my day. It's not gonna change in the last few seconds. So anyways, I think it has been a very, very good day, and this is my MyFX book page. Take a look at my gain. It's 386.49% for the total of 2 months and 2 days. Technically, this is my 41st, my 41st day of trading, which is crazy. My absolute gain is 282.41%, which is, with the difference between those two numbers, is my withdrawal of $2,500, which is sitting safely at my broker's inside wallet. Because if I was to transfer it to my bank account, I would be tax-wise liable for that amount, which I don't want to be, not at this point. All my focus is on creating $1 million within 1 year. And, I've received some emails and comments that, hey, you're not going to make it. You're not going to create $1 million in a year. You know what my message to you guys, if you wrote me an email with that, I'm not going to be able to create $1 million in a year. Guess what? If I create it in 2 years, do you think I'm going to cry? Oh, it took me 2 years. Oh my God, I feel so horrible. Now that I have $1 million, I had to work for it for 2 years. As a matter of fact, I'm not really working for it. I'm just creating videos showing you guys what you could also do too. So if you want to have your own Mohini trading robot, drop me a line. My email address is below this video in the description box. Let me know you want it. I'll hook you up, brother. Let me get you started, because this, you can see, this is freaking crazy. Take a look at my chart. You don't need to be a genius to see that as long as the red line is going upwards, all is dandy. I only have one little beauty spot here, so to speak, when I actually manually closed I had a couple open positions, and I had to close it because I had to upgrade my robot from 4.06 to 4.07. And look at my day. This is the third biggest change within my 41 days of trading career. The first one was, ironically, on my third trading day. It was 10.81%. And I should say maybe that's a much easier change because I had $2,000, so I started out with $2,000 on the 7th of December, and this happened on the 9th of December, which I believe was a Wednesday. So if I have this change, gosh, yeah, there it is, 10.81%. It's because it had to have a profit of $200, which is pretty great. Or over $200. It's pretty great out of $2,000. My second greatest trading change was 9.85%, which was on the 15th of January. And today was my third, and it's 9.35%. So this is just freaking amazing. I'm as happy as I can get. Look at my profit is $5,657.58. That's my profit, and I still have my $2,000. Actually, I have $2,500 outside, and I have $5,145 trading in the game. So my capital's already safe, and I'm still trading with that much. I can't wait for my equity to reach the same, a little over $5,000. That's when I'm gonna double every lot size in every other set. Currently, I'm using 32 sets, so it means that I will have to double the lot size from 0.1 to 0.2 in every other set. So it's 16 sets that I will have to rewrite just so that I can raise my my profits. Well, not that I need a raise today, because $439. Come on, dudes, that's just amazing. Anyways, that was my video for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. If you think, you smash the like button, dislike button, share, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.